Welcome to our Venmo Debit Card Activation Guide. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of using the Venmo Debit Card to make your purchases seamless and efficient. Let's dive into how to order your Venmo Debit Card. Open your Venmo app and follow these easy steps. Before you order, make sure you meet the eligibility requirements. You need to be a Venmo user and at least 18 years old. Once you've ordered your card, you'll typically wait 5 to 10 business days for it to arrive. Keep an eye on your mailbox. When your card arrives, activating it is easy. Just log back into your Venmo app and follow the activation prompts. Be sure to set up your PIN for security. Choose a number that's memorable but not easily guessable. You can use your Venmo debit card for purchases both in-store and online, just like any other debit card. Keep track of your spending by regularly checking your transaction history directly in the app. Let's address some frequently asked questions about the Venmo debit card to help you troubleshoot any concerns. Now you're all set to order, activate, and use your Venmo debit card confidently for your purchases.